the head of the family, or the person who has booked the cruise. If any of the team member, he or she, has gone out of the way to make this cruise special for you, please do let his or...
All right, so it's about 7 a.m. I couldn't get the app to work to go reserve for the roller coaster. So I'm gonna go up. They got buy two, get one free. I'm gonna go up and do it. So for whatever reason, I had to order just Britton and I for the roller coaster. I couldn't order 3 people. It said get 2, get the 3rd free. It wouldn't let me order 3 people in one order. So anyway, I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and walk around this deck up here and get some footage.
We're in bad weather. See, look at those waves down there.
We're going on the roller coaster at noon. It's 9 right now, and we are going into a storm. This could be a very exciting trip after all.
Alright, it's pretty nasty weather, so they may have canceled the roller coaster. I don't see it going, but maybe no one scheduled a ride.
Those waves are literally like 10 feet high. I know you can't tell from way up here, but they are.
A few hours have passed. It's gotten a little bit more bumpy, but it doesn't necessarily look worse, but the boat is definitely rocking more. Hello, everybody.
Hi.
Did you win it?
No, I didn't win it.
Did you even get close?
I don't think so. I'm gonna do it one more time. I don't understand. I don't understand like where like the seats are.
Got your boyfriend and meet me at the hotel. You can bring your girlfriends and meet me at the hotel. Get up, got your boyfriend and meet me at the hotel. You can bring your
What about your boyfriend?